Ansible concepts. These concepts are common to all uses of Ansible. You need to understand them to use Ansible for any kind of automation. This basic introduction provides the background you need to follow the rest of the user guide. Control node. Any machine with Ansible installed. You can run commands and playbooks, invoking usr, bin, Ansible or usr, bin, Ansible playbook, from any control node. You can use any computer that has Python installed on it as a control node. Laptops, shared desktops, and servers can all run Ansible. However, you cannot use a Windows machine as a control node. You can have multiple control nodes. Managed nodes. The network devices and/or servers you manage with Ansible. Managed nodes are also sometimes called hosts. Ansible is not installed on managed nodes. Inventory. A list of managed nodes. An inventory file is also sometimes called a host file. Your inventory can specify information like IP address for each managed node. An inventory can also organize managed nodes, creating and nesting groups for easier scaling. To learn more about inventory, see the Working with Inventory section. Modules. The units of code Ansible executes. Each module has a particular use, from administering users on a specific type of database to managing VLAN interfaces on a specific type of network device. You can invoke a single module with a task or invoke several different modules in a playbook. For an idea of how many modules Ansible includes, look at the list of all modules. Tasks. The units of action in Ansible. You can execute a single task once with an ad hoc command. Playbooks. Ordered lists of tasks, saved so you can run those tasks in that order repeatedly. Playbooks can include variables as well as tasks. Playbooks are written in YAML and are easy to read, write, share and understand. To learn more about playbooks, see about playbooks. Advantage of usage Ansible. Ansible is free to use by everyone. Ansible is very consistent and lightweight, and no constraints regarding the OS or underlying hardware are present. It is very secure due to this agentless capabilities and open SSH security features. Ansible does not need any special system administration skills to install and use it. Disadvantage of usage Ansible. Insufficient user interface. Though Ansible Tower is GUI, but it is still in development stage. Cannot achieve full automation by Ansible, new to the market, therefore limited support and document is available.